there, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be doing how to make fried Oreos.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of
So first, what you guys need is vegetable oil, eggs, vanilla extract, baking soda, milk, sugar, baking powder, salt, and flour. And then just a few Oreos to make the fried Oreos. So first, what we're going to do, we're going to mix in all of the dry ingredients, which is the baking powder, salt, sugar, baking soda, and yeah, just those 4 things into the flour. When we're done mixing all the dry ingredients together, we're going to make a well in the flour and then start pouring in the milk. Okay, I'm just going to start pouring in the milk now. Make the well. I don't really want to touch the flour because I don't know. I just don't really want to touch it. So what you're going to do is make a small well. Yeah, I'm going to have to touch it. I'm going to go wash my hands. I'm going to make the well. I washed my hands. I made sure that I washed my hands. So now I'm just going to make this well. Make a small well in it so that you can put the milk inside of the middle. I'm actually happy to be making these fried Oreos because I haven't really made it in a while. And I just want to taste it. So now let's add in a little bit of the milk and the milk inside of the well. Yeah, let's just keep adding in the milk while we're doing this. We're going to mix in the flour with it and keep adding in the milk. Okay, so this is going to be liquidy, but isn't pancake mix supposed to be liquidy? I think so. I've seen it. Okay, why not act like this the first time I made pancake mix? Most of the times whenever I'm cooking something with flour, I always get hot flour on my apron. But I think this is a good consistency. So now we're going to add 2 eggs inside of the mix. Now we're going to add the eggs, vanilla, and eggs, vanilla, and oil, vegetable oil. And let's just mix this in. So this is a better consistency. So now that we mixed everything in, we're going to get a frying pan and we're going to heat it up, and then I'll let you guys know what we have to do after that. So I have the frying pan and just heat it up. And once it gets hot enough, we're going to add the oil. And once the oil gets heated, then we're going to actually, while we're waiting for the pan to heat up, we're gonna add the Oreos to the pancake mix. Oh wow, one of them just broke. I'm gonna take up this broken one. And this part is off, wow. Wow, yeah, let's take, I don't really think we should put the broken ones in. Because last time when I did that, the fried Oreo, it was like a little bit messed up. Really fixed. Now let's just add the rest of the Oreos.
Mommy, what cookies? I want cookies.
My brother's saying that he wants it. So we want the cookies to be indulged in the pancake mix. We don't want it to be like poking out like this. So now that I got everything, I'm gonna mix them all in. I just need to get something. So now that the pan is hot, I'm just gonna add the vegetable oil. And you don't want to add too much vegetable oil. You just want to add enough so that it can be fried. And I just noticed I always say and I always say that, and I know what I'm gonna say, but I just say it. So I'm just gonna let the oil get heated up a little bit, and we're gonna start putting these fried Oreos in. I'm actually so happy that I'm making them. I haven't had it in a while, and they're so good, but after you eat like 2 or 3, you get like tired of them. Well, you don't get tired, you just don't want any more. Because they're like really, really sweet. So now that all of the Oreos are indulged in the pancake mix, we are going to start putting them inside of the pan. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make these fried Oreos. But to top it off, you guys are gonna add powdered sugar. So I can't find a strainer for the powdered sugar, so this is the last and final result of the fried Oreos. And for the pancake mix, I just add chocolate chips so that I can make chocolate chip pancakes, and so that I won't have to throw it away and it would be a waste. So yeah, this is the last and final result. If it had the powdered sugar, it would be much more better. I'm going to show you guys another cookie that I had that showed like, what is it called? The fried Oreos. But it looked better than this. It definitely looked better than this. I'm going to show you guys that one, and then I'm going to show you pictures of it. So thank you guys for watching. like and subscribe, and share it with your friends and family.